How's it going? My name is Attila and this is Masterpiece. So this is a new week, let's get on with my training. I have made some pretty good projects so far, but certainly there is room for improvement. So today I am going to use two type of wood species. I still have some of this Iroko left. And I have this piece of Polar that we can use, and I will make a box or a pot. So it will be long, but it has a lid. So it is a box and a pot. It's a box pot or a pot box. I don't know, I don't speak English. God damn it. So because most of the woodturners also know how to carve wood, I will ease myself into carving. So even in the previous project I had a little bit of carving, nothing like serious. It was like a natural edge shaping rather than carving, and today's project probably have something similar, not really a carving, but I will make some texture, if you know what I mean. Let's try that, and I will try to train myself to be able to carve something nice as well, but just for starting, let's do that.
Hey, we can run away.
Eyes wide open, leave this place behind. No matter what they say, yeah, 'cause we're stronger than Start our engines, count down from 10, kiss the sun goodnight, and go where no one goes. Yeah, 'cause we're chasing desires above the city lights. Yeah, we're burning like fire now. 'Cause we're walking on air, walking on air, feeling high over the surface. Walking on air, yeah, we're walking on air, walking on air, going way beyond the horizon. Walking on air, ain't got a countdown. Oh 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 yeah yeah oh 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 oh. Ain't that a countdown? Oh 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 oh. Walking on air. They won't reach us. No, they can't touch us. Ain't that a countdown?
So now the fun part. I'm going to use this one and drill like 2500 holes into it. It's going to take ages.
Walking on air, walking on air, feeling high over the surface. Walking on air, yeah, we're walking on air, walking on air, going way beyond the horizon. Walking on air, ain't that a countdown? Oh 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 ain't that a countdown? Oh 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 oh.
It didn't take a long time for you because of the video editing, but it took a long time for me, and that was only half of the job. Now I have to get the drama and do the same thing with the drama.
Walking on air, walking on air, feeling high over the surface. Walking on air, yeah, we're walking on air, walking on air, going way beyond the horizon. Walking on air.
So that part is finished. Here is the texture that I was after. It's not bad. I'm going to paint it now. Here, all black. So that should be shiny at the end, and this one should be shiny at the end, and this bit will be matte.
Never let beat ya.
it's done, it's finished. So I put the layering in like 3-dimensional. So one layer is a little bit higher than the other. I was able to hollow the inside very well. This one is burned. I used the wire to burn it. And this one is shiny here. And this one is like matte finish. So it's pretty good. Only thing I would do differently, these are not uniform enough, but because so many of them I just got impatient. But that's the only thing I would do differently. Other than that, it's pretty good, I guess. So as always, I will make some proper picture of this and put it at the end of the video. So if you want to see more cool projects like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching and see you next time.